back to my channel. Today I will be playing soccer with my dog. So this ball is a size 3 and it's too small for me, and I gave it to the dogs like a year ago and has bite marks all in it. I'm surprised it is not deflated. And it if you push it, you can tell it's a little bit deflated, but we are going to be playing soccer today. So hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. So I have to put you guys down here. So, ready, Chloe? This is gonna be crazy. All right, ready, Chloe? Good ball. Now we have to go get the ball. She's a little bit crazy with this ball, so sorry if I go out of the frame to get the ball in. Chloe, it's my kicking. It's my kicking. Actually, if we're playing actual soccer, the kicking is over here. I'm over here. Okay, Chloe. Chloe. Okay, all right. I scored. Chloe, you're doing mouth ball again. She's doing mouth ball. And there's like a cat on her thing over there where we can score. Oh gosh. Chloe, I'm trying to film this right. Okay. It's your kicking. You're right. It's your kicking. Chloe, you're doing mouth ball. Yay! This is unfair soccer. Chloe, get the ball. Chloe, get the ball. Mouth ball, everybody. Put it down. Put the ball down. It's your kicking. Put the ball down. Play soccer. Play soccer, everybody. If you can see her, she like moves her feet and stuff. Chloe. Come on. Yay! I scored. Oh, here's my other dog coming. Hello, Wilbur. Okay. Chloe, now they're probably going to play together. Okay, there we go. Chloe, bring the ball over. Drop it. Good girl. Kick it in. Kick it in. She shoots. She scores. It's 4-0, guys. This is unfair because Will's distracting her. Chloe, get the ball. Get the ball. Chloe, get the ball. You're afraid of it now. Get the ball. Hey, get the ball. You have to score now. You have to score. Yeah, just kick it in. Yay, Chloe scored, everybody. Chloe scored. It's 4-1. My kicking since you scored. Chloe, it's my kicking since you scored. Chloe, let me kick it in. And I can't score from kicking in. Chloe, it's okay. Chloe, we'll get your goalie. Chloe, I'm kicking it in. Technically, this is unfair soccer. Chloe? Chloe, that's a mouse ball. Penalty! Oh God! Penalty! It's a penalty. I got the ball back. Chloe ran away so she wouldn't get a penalty. It's my kicking. You got a penalty. Chloe, you got a penalty. Chloe, okay. Oh gosh. This is stressful. I'm a better soccer player when I don't play with Chloe. Alright, it's 5-1. I'm winning. Chloe? Mouth ball, Chloe. Okay, well, we won't count that one because you were getting the ball. Good girl, sit. Chloe, sit. She does not like to obey when there's a soccer ball around her. Okay. Chloe, mouth ball, it's a penalty. It's a penalty. Chloe, it's a penalty. It's a penalty. It's a penalty. Give me the ball. Okay. It's another penalty on Chloe. Chloe, it's my kick and sit. It's my kick in. Okay. I can honestly just stand here and she won't be able to get the ball from me. But that's not fun. Oh, good block, girl. Oh, I scored. wrestling, don't they? Doggies. Doggies, get out of the frame. Doggies. All right, we're gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. She's literally standing on me. Oh gosh, she's standing on Will. All right, bye guys.